It's Patrick at Pals, Volvo. They're wonderful cars. Lester, tell us why this vehicle's here today.
The customer came in complaining of a high-pitched noise. It was making like a whistle noise. And what we narrowed it down to is what they call the crankcase ventilation valve. With this on, engine running, it goes.
So it was actually whistling like a tea kettle.
You take this off and it stops because it opens up the crank ventilation because it's not pulling it like it should. So what we're going to do is we're going to change out this valve with a new one, and that'll help take care of the noise for them, and they'll be back in business, back on the road.
So on an old car, a PCV valve was just a little thimble-sized unit that vented the engine. But on a newer engine like this one, that is the complete PCV valve.
Yep.
Wow, turn that over. So it's got a vent here, and vents here and here for the engine.
Right, and they cone spine with different valleys inside the valve cover to get the different pressures and stuff.
So I'll bet the customer didn't like the tea kettle sound going over his car. If you've got a Volvo and it's got a PCV problem, bring it to Pals. See you soon.